Hey guys, this is Eric. This is my very first video that I have to do it yourself. Today we're doing Merrill's Leather. That's the name of the company right here. I don't know if you can see that in the camera. My wonderful daughter is helping me do this. But basically, and take all the directions, I got this on Etsy. Was the best leather, at least the description and everything, all the reviews talked about how great the leather was compared to all the other sites. And the other sites, I looked at the reviews and they said that this piece right here will come apart, will bust if you get it too tight. And I decided, well, let me take a chance and try this. Then I get the packets to my house. We got here really fast, got here in 3 days. After getting the packet, the directions are kind of clear, tell you an idea what to do. You're gonna have to figure it out, but I decided this would be helpful to show you guys how I did it, because I already did one side. So you get the wider side. This goes to the inside of the lever. So what you want to do is just get, I don't know if you can see that clearly there, but you want to get one side from the inside to the outside. I guess the first one doesn't matter. And just like tying your shoes, it has like a nice little pointy. I don't know if you can see that right there. And you insert that like a little needle. It goes right in the leather. And sometimes you just got to play around with it. Like I said, this is my first video. A little nervous here, but we'll get this going. So you get the tip right in there, and you just pull it just like so. Nice and easy. And basically, just like you do your shoes, you want to get an even thread in both sides. So I'm trying to get as even as I can. Put two sides right there. And then push this down and not quite there, but just like the shoe. Once you get that, of course, the next lever, you have to do this outside the bike because it's time consuming, and I'm not gonna bore you and show you how it's done. I'm just gonna show you just the first couple of inlets, how it's done. And again, just got to pay attention to this, and this part I will skip on this video. Okay, so I got the first two right here. So the idea is that it's going to be cross-fit right here like this. Okay, and just want to leave enough so the lever could fit right in through there. You're going to go all the way across, and you're going to continue doing this until you get the very end. You'll have two strings laid out. In the end result, you'll be very satisfied. The leather is excellent. It's very, very thick. I didn't measure this thing, but in this is even thicker. The end result looks amazing, and I will show you this at the very end of the video. In fact, yes, I'll show you this at the end of the video. When you get to the very end, is the trickiest part. This goes to like the ball in the end of the lever. You're just gonna squeeze him. It's a little tedious trying to get him all, at the beginning. It takes about 10 minutes to get the whole process going, maybe 15. But it's very good. I hope this is helpful. I will show you the end result at the end. Perhaps I might even show you the end result when I'm tying the very end here. So look up this in the next video. Thank you. All right, guys, here we are now. I wanted to show you what the end result looks like. That's it really finished. It feels good. The main reason I did this, and you can get up now. This is my photographer. Is I have here. This is 20 degrees. This is handmade. I bought it in Etsy also. Somebody decided to do this. I put them backwards because I didn't like the shiny stuff. You can put them in either way you want. It looks pretty good, either one. But when you glove on and this, and now the leather. The leather, you don't touch metal, so not only looks good, but the metal transmission of the cold air doesn't, it's another way to keep your hands warm in the winter. So we get, 20, 30 degrees here. With the glove on, you're not going to feel absolutely nothing, even though I'm going to test this tomorrow. But I'm sure, because with these on, and my leather is way warmer than ever been, and you could ride miles and miles and not going to bother you. But this is just going to help, because when you touch that lever and you get off an exit, and you're 20-degree weather and you touch that cold metal, you feel the cold. I mean, it goes through your glove. Touching leather and leather, that problem should be resolved. Anyway, so this is how we do the other side. This is the end result after I tied it all. You see, this is the end that I started. So what you want to do is get this inside. This will be facing, you can face it either way. I mean, you got to finish it. But this will be facing outside. And you get it all the way in. And then, of course, get all the way in. Just like that, pushing. And all the way in. You have your two. And your little ball. There you go, just like so. Now, what you're going to do is start tying it all the way this across, all the way until you get to the very end. And the end result should look, and actually let me open this again. The end result, you get it all nice and tight to the very end. It looks like this in the way in the back, nice and tight. And then it has these little rings are included. What I did, and it really didn't give you directions how to do it. I got two of them together. I did one more nut right here, closed it, and then I cut the excess. That's all it is. All right, guys, I hope this helped. This is for the winter, but I think in the summer it'll still be great. Good luck with this.